Yellow belts, you're in a front stance, getting ready to step, swing the elbow and yell.
Switch your hands.
Green stripes and purple stripes, knife hand. Green belts are in a front stance, one leg forward.
Switch.
You're doing the back fist strike. And the ranking student, he's doing the side punch. Okay, here we go. Ready? One. Yeah, strike hard, yell loud. Ready? Two. Ready? Three. Good. Ready? Four. Ready? Five. Yeah, so this is the part of the wall here. Ready? One. Yeah, then the back leg always comes forward, yellow belt. Back leg always steps forward.